Stop using chemical after shave. Hello guys, welcome to the Sanctuary. This is where we discuss herbs and spices for healthy living. If you are new here, you are welcome. Okay, as you are seeing this video, it means you are lucky. Try as much as possible to subscribe to this channel. Turn on the notification bell so that you don't lose anything in this channel. Do not forget to send me thumbs up and also share this video for others to benefit. Okay, so this is a place you need to be. This is where you get all your herbal recipe, all your spices, and all natural recipes. So today I have aloe vera in front of me. This is aloe vera. Aloe vera is rich in antioxidants. It's very great for human consumption. It's edible. Okay, so now you can actually use aloe vera for wound. I've actually tried that and it worked perfectly. You can use it for wound just by applying the gel to the surface of the wound. That's all. After cleaning the wound, just apply the gel. Okay, so you can also apply aloe vera gel to burns. So if you have burns, you can use aloe vera gel as well to heal it. It has that healing power. Now, if you're also having teeth pain, you can just chew aloe vera. Okay, it will take you out of that plague. All right, that teeth plague, it can take you out of it. Aloe vera is also good for constipation. For people that have issue of constipation, use aloe vera. Just chew a little of it. That is the end of that constipation. And you won't believe this, that aloe vera too can reduce blood sugar levels. So if you are having high blood sugar, consider aloe vera. Aloe vera is actually good. And the last is this: stop using chemical after shave. Once you shave, stop using chemical. Go for natural things instead. Now you can use aloe vera. Like now, before I do have bumps. Okay, that is once I shave, I do have bumps, but now it's no longer like that because I constantly use aloe vera. So what I do is just get aloe vera. I just get aloe vera like this. Okay, open it up. I just open it up. Then I use it to, rub the place I just shaved. You understand? Okay, I just use it to rub it. Just scrub it on it. So you will see the way the place will become smoother. Okay, like I said, there is power in nature. Okay, there's power in nature. So this channel is where everyone needs to be. Okay, so that's it. So it actually prevents wrinkles. It will give you a beautiful skin. Try it out today. You will know that there is power in nature. Okay, thank you guys. Don't forget, this is the Sanctuary, where we talk about herbs and spices and all natural recipe you can think of. Thank you guys for watching. See you all in my next video.